us is what this talk is all about. Are we really happy is what we asked them. I'm going to share with you all that they told me and my team. And isn't it amazing that I think it's more ironical than amazing that we live life forward but we understand it backwards. हम जिंदगी जीते सीधे पर समझ पीछे आती है. And this is what all they told, that what they would have changed in retrospect. अगर उनको दोबारा से जिंदगी जीने का मौका मिले तो वो क्या गलतियां नहीं करेंगे या करेंगे. And my intention of sharing all that with you is only one, that their hindsight becomes your foresight. Right? Is the language okay? Or should I use a mix of Hindi and English? भाषा महत्वपूर्ण नहीं है दोस्त, because अगर भाषा महत्वपूर्ण होती तो मिस्टर बीन जितने अच्छे वक्ता कैसे होते? कहने की चाह होनी चाहिए. Is it okay with you? Right? I know 6 languages. I have a mix of all 6. Is it good? Very good. Very good. How many from South India? I'm told a lot of people from Tamil Nadu here. Anyone from Kolkata, eastern side? Very good. How many Indians here? Wow, very good. Very good. Very good. Excellent. I was just saying if you understand me or not. Excellent. Wow. So this is what. But the problem is that there are 4 serious problems to this talk. Can you reduce the bass? थोड़ा सा echo बहुत हो रहा है, bass कम करिए. Right. There are 4 serious problems to this talk. The first of the 4 is that people don't change. A lot of people, when I was coming in here, people said, we're looking forward to this talk. We will change. Nothing's कुछ नहीं होने वाला. पहले भी लगा तो बर्बाद है. I'm doing it, I know it. Nothing is going to happen. लोगों को सुनना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. लड़का अच्छा बोलता है. Right? ज्ञान लेने की बहुत अच्छी आदत है. People do not change if you give them a better option. People change when change is the only option left. People do not change unless and until what they truly value gets threatened. People don't change. सुनना अच्छा लगता है. The second reason why this talk is going to be coming a little semi-proper and not fully beneficial is we have the solution to all the problems which are not ours. We are very good consultants. मैं बताता हूँ ये करो. But when it comes to our own lives, it's pretty vague. We have a very good idea about how others should live their lives. But when it comes to our own selves, issue. The third reason why this talk is not going to be very effective and come out blunt is a samvad from Bhagavad Gita between Krishna and Yudhishthira. It's a beautiful conversation which happened 2500 plus years back. And in this conversation, it's a reverse osmosis. This time Krishna asks Yudhishthira, and Yudhishthira is a Dharmaraj. And Krishna asks Yudhishthira, hey Dharmaraj, is Prithvi Lok ki sabse badi vidambana kya hai? And the answer which Yudhishthira gives is so relevantly pertinent in today's times. He says, hey Bhagwan, is Prithvi Lok ki sabse badi vidambana ye hai कि यहां पर लोग सब कुछ जानते हुए भी अनजान हैं. सब जानते हैं लेकिन फिर भी इस 2.5 दिन की MFRD कॉन्फ्रेंस में ऐसा कुछ भी चीज आपको नहीं बताई गई होगी जो आपको पता नहीं होगी. लेकिन हम सब जानते हैं फिर भी. Trust me, over the next 90 minutes also, I'm not going to tell you anything which you already don't know. You're pretty seasoned people, yeah? What can I tell you? Right. The fourth reason, the last reason why this is not going to work over the next 90 minutes is overcommitment. You're all achievers, I'm told that they're all achievers from their respective cities and circles, right? And people who are achievers, there's a problem with them. They think that this has worked for me, so I'll use this only to work more and more for me. So I will not change because this is work. For example, a lot of people believe that worry is the fuel of progress. आज चिंता नहीं की, आज टेंशन नहीं ली. अगर कारण नहीं भी होता तो we invent. Because that has worked for us. Tension लेना और आसपास देना. Right? 4 reasons. And then let me tell you, be more adventurous and let me tell you 4 further ways how we can further screw this next 90 minutes. You can really kill the next 90 minutes. Number 1, by ego. A lot of people look elder to me. Yes, people have, I respect you all, a lot of respect from my heart. You've seen more life than I have. But there could be a little ego quotient, boss. उम्र में छोटा है, लड़का है, जानते हैं, तू क्या बताएगा? Who are you to tell me about how we should change? We know how to live. It works like that. Second reason why we can really screw it up is evaluating me. A lot of people, I can still see on your faces, वो मुझे बहुत ही अभी भी शक की निगाह से देख रहे हैं. चाहता क्या है? कब तक बोलेगा? People, let me tell you, I'm very dumb. Don't evaluate me. Just sit back, relax, and listen to me for the next 90 minutes. If you can take out 2 or 3 things, I'm okay with it. Are you okay with it? Yes. Wow. पीछे सर इतनी सुस्ती, कोई गुप्त लोग है क्या? फंस दो यार, टैक्सी लेगा, सर्विस टैक्स करनी पड़ेगा उसमें. boys and the little girls, I'm sure you need a motivational speaker because there are hardly any women out there. There are a few, right? Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, great. Anyways, come on, people at the back, come on. Happy people are more successful, aren't they? Yeah. Roaming pad raha hai kya? Come on, sir. Aisa constipation hai kya? Are you with me? Yes. Oh, very good. That's better. Yeah. Some people are sleeping post lunch. Good morning. I understand. Too many naans inside. They create problems of every kind. Anyways. Third reason is, a lot of you would be thinking, how to become a motivational speaker? अच्छा आ जाओ है 5-star होटल में रुको घंटे का ज्ञान दो कितना पैसा मिला होगा ये कर लेते हैं हम फंड क्या बेचने right? Then the last reason is by not being in the present moment. Yeah. I can stand on this chair, I'm okay with it? Right, okay, very good. The laundry bills are taken care of. Yeah, please, may I आपके भाई दोस्त के नाते आपको दोस्त का है? Can I be your friend again asking out? Yeah. I think we bury all the hatchets by having said all those mentioned all that. I'd like to be a friend for the next 90 minutes, and I'm wanting you to not evaluate me and just listen to me for the next 90 minutes. Not with 100% concentration, but 200% concentration, by one switching off your mobile phones and by being with me. Is it doable? Yeah. Sure? Yeah. Very good. People at the back are pressing something between their legs. I don't know what it is. Please look up. I'm going to embarrass you if you don't stop working on your mobile phones. Is it okay with you? Good, very good. Anyways, now let me begin with the question. Let me come back to the survey that we did and start with the question. How many people, we're already 8 months into, 7.5 months into 2015, कितने लोग आपको मिले इस साल में जो कि आपको genuinely खुश लगे? The problem, the theme is, are we happy? So I'm going to address that only. कितने लोग आपको मुझे genuinely खुश लगे? चेहरे में खुशी थी. They were very clear about what they want in their lives and they're moving linearly and happily about that. And an awesomeness, value unlocking relationships happening, joy, abundance happening in life. कितने लोग लगे आपको बहुत मस्त? Tell me, give me the answers. 3. Okay? None. 10. Very good. Double digits. First answer? Yeah. All school children. Very good. That's very good. I expect this answer from a lady only because gents don't look at college school children, they look at college girls. Right? Okay. Anyways, what else? Okay, I'll answer. Not many. There's a likely theme of what you want to say. Not many. कुछ लोग उससे सोचा है ना कुछ तो सोचा है I guess the way we are working is not working. एक बार तो यूं होगा कि थोड़ा सा सुकून होगा. एक बार तो यूं होगा कि थोड़ा सा सुकून होगा. ना दिल में कसक होगी ना सर पे जुनून होगा. एक बार तो यूं होगा लेकिन वो होता ही नहीं है. People aren't happy. You know, मंजिलों की तलाश में आप ऐसे निकले हो घर से भी आज तक वापसी का रास्ता नहीं ढूंढ पा रहे हैं. परेशान हुए घूम रहे हो. एक सुकून की तलाश में आप सबने इतनी सारी बेचैनियां पाल ली और लोग कहते हैं कि आप बड़े हो गए और आपने जिंदगी संभाल ली. Let's definitely no short of it. The survey told us that people are appearing overly busy. I'm carefully using the word appear. They're not. They appear overly busy. And they're living in a state of perpetual anxiety. There's a chronic fatigue. There's always कुछ wanting more, you know, always in a hurry. एक ट्रक के पीछे लिखा था कि जिनको जल्दी थी वो चले गए. You know, people are consuming stories of the marketeers, which the marketeers are throwing stories at you, trying to fit into your emotional window, and you're getting sucked up or consumed into their emotional story. You know, did Axe deodorant really help you out, sir? Did Axe deodorant really help you out? Good, he's intelligent, you know, very good. But those who use it didn't help us. Nothing happens over a cup of coffee, I'm sure. You have to go somewhere else. Tata Sky लगा के life jingle अलग हुई क्या? This is all people are fitting into your emotional windows, getting consumed, and we end up doing things जिनको शायद करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. और वो करते करते हम बेवकूफ बनते हैं शायद. We think that is style, that is cool, that is chic, but maybe it's not. The survey told us, I've worked in a lot of corporate sector, you know, I'm a corporate trainer and a motivational speaker. I found that majority of people are stressed, depressed, but still their interest. Look at them. All in ties and suits. That's what I found. Further, egos, perceptions, and people issues are always going up. People have got egos. People have perceptions होती हैं. अगर कोई employee अच्छा नहीं है, तो फिर वो कुछ भी कर ले वो अच्छा नहीं है. Right? Egos हैं. वो और जो चीज high जानी चाहिए, which is efficiency, discipline, or fitness, it's always making a cosine curve or a parabola. It's not never coming out the way it should be. Right? The most motivating line in the lives of the people is, you don't need a motivational speaker. I wish they'd credited my fee into your account. Should have been more motivating, right? Right. Work lives and careers remain mediocre because personal lives don't sort out. आप जितना मर्जी MFRD कॉन्फ्रेंस लगा लो, अगली 10 भी लगा लो, लेकिन अगर आपके घर में त्रासदी है, तो फिर बाहर क्या करोगे? सबसे बड़ा मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर है रूपा अंडरवेयर वाले, जिन्होंने कहा था कि जो अंदर फिट वो बाहर है, अंदर ही लोचा है तो बाहर क्या कर देगा? What will motivational speaker do? घंटा? Nothing. Yes or no? Anyways, the survey told us that people speak a lot, and here I'm talking not only about ladies, about men also. छोटे में बोलना है, बकर जाते हो, बकर बहुत करने की आदत है. That's what we found. They lie very regularly. छोटी बातों पे, जलील मुद्दों पे, wherever you can even speak a truth, you end up lying. We love to lie. मोबाइल कुछ नहीं, झूठ यंत्र है. We love to lie. We eat even when we're not hungry. और हम खाना थोड़ी खाते हैं. जो खाना खाते हैं वो जो thoughts हैं वो खाते हैं, जो emotions हैं वो खाते हैं. खाना भी एक to-do है, काम निपटाना है, खा लिया. And we have an invisible Rakshas within us. We want to eat, and we can't know what the hell are trying to do with your own stomach. Right. Further, we found that we need extra large pampering and importance. I'm just talking to what people told me. They need pampering, they need importance, if they need to be liked, they need to be told you are very good. If I'm giving a compliment to anyone here, for example, ma'am, you're looking so pretty, her normal reaction would be, क्या? इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि इनको सुना नहीं, इसका मतलब ये एक बार फिर से बोलो. We want to be resonated about us, we need to be told about us, affirmed about us, we like to be pampered. It's an emotional industry, it's a feel-good industry. Those people who like you, they're good, and those who don't like you, अरे आ जाते तो बताता हूँ, ठीक नहीं है वो. We are overdoing things to prove our progress in our lives. We want to tell to the world. I'm sure a lot of you young people sitting out here would have had your Facebook statuses at Pune in Marriott with those pictures with those cars. The world knows the car is not yours. Right? People कुछ भी करते हैं, they want to tell the world, I got this iPhone 6. Look at my new iPhone 5S. And I have a problem. If your girlfriend is upgrading or your wife is upgrading from iPhone 5 to 6 just for half an inch, you need to really take care of her. We want to tell, if you go on an international vacation, there's some people who keep on uploading the pictures of the international vacations the moment they hit the airport. They take that vacation for I don't know what, they need to take a vacation for a mind and not for people who are in the Facebook timeline. Right? Anyways, we take too little responsibility for our own needs and dissipate too much energy in blame, complaint, and finger pointing. This, that, तूने किया, ये किया, वो किया. We want to create villains, अच्छा लगता है. आज सुबह से किसी की माँ बहन नहीं गई है. कहते हैं मजा स्वाद आता है ना. Right? Anyways, there's a restless temperament. People remain tired throughout the day. There's no sleep or too much of it. And we are obsessed with sex. I'm not talking about married men. Because in the lives of married men, the only crush they have is Candy Crush. They are like Havel's bar, we don't catch fire. We know, I'm right, huh? Right, anyways. They are agreeing also, right? Very good. People are failing to take care of themselves. And it leads to reduced health, reduced happiness, and reduced prosperity. How fake we are, yeah? एक दूसरे को जाते हुए क्या बोलते हैं? टेक केयर, व्हाट टेक केयर? अपना ख्याल तो हम रखते नहीं. We are fake. I think we are hypocrites. We have a problem with I'm sorry, but on 15th August I'm having to say we are in India, a country of hypocrites. We have a problem with the lyrics of Honey Singh songs, but when our parents or when we abuse at home in front of children, why don't we correct ourselves? You know, the most Googled celebrity in India. Okay, can someone help me out? The most Googled celebrity in India is a porn star, Sunny Leone. But a rape victim in a country finds it difficult to get acceptance. We are hypocrites. We're living in a country where we need a new drama every damn day. हमें रोज एक नया ड्रामा चाहिए यार. आज मोदी ने क्या कहा, वो ड्रामा, कल उसने क्या कहा, उसका ड्रामा. We are feeding our minds to drama every day. Then we ask, are we happy? What moral right do we have to ask, are we happy? Anyways, majority is mired in an udasi, boredom, or a dil-jale situation of an indescribable kind. लोग अकेले घूमते हैं, लोनली फील करते रहते हैं. एक महफिल में हजारों महफिलें शरीक होती हैं, सैकड़ों महफिलें शरीक होती हैं. आप किसी को भी नजदीक से जाके देखोगे, अकेला ही मिलेगा. And then, because of that loneliness, they seek sympathy. And you can notice that people who sympathize with you over a period of time will dislike you. And they don't even get sympathy. Because the only place you will get sympathy is a place called dictionary between the two words shit and syphilis. Otherwise also you're not going to get sympathy. Right? My problem and my question is, and my concern is, for all of you in here is, what will be the cumulative toll in the next 5 or 10 years if you keep on making similar kind of choices? So mobile phone ban kar dijiye if possible. Unless it's a national emergency.